Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In the short tutorial I will discuss about no photo available on your photo widget on your iPhone after iOS 18 update. So how can I fix? So keep watching this video until the end. So guys, before starting the video, please like and subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates. So guys, open photos application on your iPhone, and here is select the photos which you want to add in photo widget on your iPhone home screen. So I am select only this one. So here is tap on add to album, and now guys, tap on plus icon top bottom corner and write the name which you want to add of this new creating album. So I am adding my photos. Simply tap on save and close this window. And here is guys, long press of no photo available widget and tap on edit widget and tap on this choose or favorite. Now select the folder which you have to create it. Now simply go back. Now you have to see photos showing on your photo widget. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.